Staff Sergeant Matthew Brady. I work over in the 94th Maintenance Squadron in the Metals Technology Shop. The name of our team is MASS. It stands for Marines, Airmen, Soldiers, Sailors, because we pull from the entire Atlanta area. You really need to focus on cardio. You need to make sure you're getting your running in and make sure you're getting a lot of BP, batting practice, a lot of work on the actual field. Just getting out here and being able to stay active in a fun way. It's not just going out on the road and running or something like that. You can actually get involved and just let your adrenaline kick in. When you start seeing balls come, you can just start sprinting after them and not even thinking about it. It builds camaraderie, it really does. You get to see people outside of work, outside of the everyday life. If your bar is set in the middle, you're more likely not going to make it. You have to set it up here and shoot for even higher.